3C as of now available only for developer edition. And the good part is that this developer edition is free of cost. It's really surprise for all of us that Oracle is offering such a good environment free of cost. But they have put some limitation on other thing. As I told, this machine I am accessing via my putty. So I can use my putty terminal to access this machine. Okay. So let me go to my putty terminal to install this machine. And please confirm if you can able to see my machine.
दिख रहा है सर screen.
Good. So the first thing what I'm going to do, we are going to need a RPM for the installation. So we need a RPM for Oracle database pre-install, which is required for the Linux, and I'm using the Oracle Linux 8. So first step, we need to install the RPM repository for developer purpose, and that's I am just doing here. So this command, if you have seen earlier, it was not working. Have you realized it? Because my repository was used for some other purpose, and that's why it was not working. Later on, I have changed it and I did it. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to install the pre-installation. So Oracle 12C onwards, there's a pre-install. Got it? So basically, I am using the pre-install, which will be used for all the required OS level configuration. So that I am going to do this. So for the Oracle Linux, which is used for 23C, that we are going to use, and it will be work fine. Did you got the idea? There is a various way to do that. If you are using Yum, so based on the Yum also you can able to do. That's not a big deal. Like I always prefer to the either the RPM base or Yum repository. Based on that we can able to do. Got it. So as per your choice, whichever the way you want, you can able to use, you can able to do. Got it? Like this way or alternate way, like you can able to do the Yum install. Like this is the way Yum install. That's alternate way. So whichever the way you are comfortable, you can able to use Oracle database pre-install. So both the command like yum-y install and then this, or you can use dnf install. So from the many flavor of the Linux, you can use the DNF like the Linux 9 and onwards. So 8 onwards, this is the little bit changes. It is done. Now, if you remember, I have downloaded the RPM. If you want, you can directly access from the online, or you can use from the download. Got it. In my case, I have already downloaded, which I kept here into the U02 folder. So if I can go, I can able to U02. That is the local install, and from there you can see the RPM I have already downloaded that I'm using. Got it. If you wish, you can able to do the alternate way. Suppose you have an internet connection on your machine, direct repository you can able to do, and you can able to install it. Got it. So based on your business, you can able to do, you can able to use it. Like this is the way you can able to use. So it's just starting the download for Oracle. Otherwise, in my temp directory also I kept like both the way I am guiding. You can easily understand how it. Go to the temp directory and you can run your this RPM. That's it. Whichever the way you are comfortable, you can use it accordingly. Got it. This RPM based installation is really good. And here I can use the database 12c for the free edition. If any doubt, any questions, feel free to ask me. Meanwhile, if
Sir,
you're
अभी
downloading the
करना क्या है?
software, yeah, tell me.
सर मतलब अभी जैसे मेरा वीएम डाउनलोड किया हुआ है वर्चुअल बॉक्स एंड वो भी तो मुझे फर्स्ट स्टेप पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? लिनक्स इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा या
Yes,
फिर
first of all, you need to install the Linux. Once Linux will be installed, update the yum, and after that, what you can do, you can use the like the developer, what I have done here, and then you can able to use. So if I can use the history command, you can see whatever I have used.
सर तो फिर
Let me
कौन
see.
सा पहले इंस्टॉल करना है? वर्चुअल बॉक्स तो हो गया, अभी लिनक्स कौन सा वर्जन और क्या करना है? तो
Linux, whichever you want, 8 or 9, it's your choice. Accordingly, you can use
हाँ,
it.
पर कहाँ से सर?
I have shared you the link.
Oracle Linux installation media ना?
Yeah.
सर फिर
I have
इस पे
already
बहुत
shared you the
सारे
link.
या बट इस पे बहुत सारे हैं, तो कौन सा?
Just hold your horse. Hold your horse, Prakriti. Will guide you each and everything. Got it? In simple term, you can tell me what first you need.
सर
First
पहले
you,
तो
first
लिनक्स
you need an operating system. Am I correct?
राइट.
So I have shared you the link where it is showing the Oracle Linux 9, 8, Debian, and so many. Got it? The ISO.
हाँ
So
सर बहुत.
accordingly, which one you want? Suppose I want to the Oracle 8 or 9 or 10. So accordingly, I can use that one. Getting my idea?
सर रिलीज जो
तो-
लिखा हुआ है वो वर्जन है क्या?
Yes, this is the version.
सर लेटेस्ट कौन सा है वही डालेंगे ना फिर?
9. Oracle 9 is the latest one. Oracle 9 or Red Hat or whichever you want. CentOS. I always prefer the Oracle. Being an Oracle guys, I prefer the Oracle.
सर ऑप्शन नंबर बताओ तो समझ में आएगा, यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है.
तुम स्क्रीन शेयर करो तो फिर मैं बताऊं. मुझे क्या पता तुम क्या देख रही हो.
या सर राइट.
I am stopping here. You can share. पर तुम्हें डाउनलोड करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Why you are downloading it? As I told,
नहीं
I am
किया
going
है
to
सर
share
कुछ
you.
भी.
हाँ.
कुछ किया नहीं है सर डाउनलोड, बट
But why you need that is my question.
सर पता तो होना चाहिए ना कभी कभी,
Okay,
अगर बेसिकली
okay.
किसी को
Yes, please share your screen.
करना है तो
Please,
ऑफिस में हम लोग
please
बोल
share
नहीं
screen.
सकते.
Go
सर
to
ये
that.
वाला एक साइट पे जाना था ना?
Yes. यहाँ पे कौन सा वर्जन आपको Oracle Linux का है वो दिखा रहा है. Got it? So I am using the version 8. आप 8 पे देखोगे 8.8 है लेटेस्ट.
ये वाला सर.
Yes. So whichever you want. उसको हमने ISO को डाउनलोड किया. That's it. उस ISO को डाउनलोड करके Linux मशीन इंस्टॉल किया. Have you remember few minutes back we have created a virtual
हाँ
machine
सर,
and then
बट
I
वो समझा मुझे, बट किया कैसे था वो थोड़ा सा पता रहता तो इजी हो जाता.
OS installation you want to learn?
या सर.
Do you want to learn the OS installation?
हाँ जी सर.
Are you going to work with the Oracle DBA or the OS admin?
Oracle DB is fine sir, because CentOS
Then why you are worried with the Oracle client? Of course, if you want, I can able to share you. No problem. So let me share my screen with you.
Okay sir, I'm stopping.
You can get the idea what are the things we have. On our YouTube channel, if you can see Oracle Linux or Linux 8, something like that. How to install Oracle 12.21c on Linux. Got it. Where is the next one? OS installation should be also there. If you can see. That I was talking, monitoring extra data storage service network. How to install Postgres, how to install Oracle, upgrade, intensity, create Oracle 12c, how to install Oracle, how to install 12c, how to install Oracle 18c. Step by step, are you able to see? Oracle Linux 8.2 installation.
हाँ सर देखा.
So this link I am sharing with you.
Okay sir.
But whenever you have a time, go for this.
Yes sir.
Got it? Because it will give you the clear idea for each and every step of the installation.
Yes sir.
For the OS, I have described here the operating system related. What are the things you can do?
Okay sir.
Okay, so whenever you have a time, I'm not saying the right now,
Mm-hmm.
but here for the virtual machine creation to the each configuration, the booting, the partitioning, are you able to see?
Yes sir.
Everything I have guided here. What could be the size, and you can download it and you can use it.
Okay sir.
Okay, and if any help is required, feel free to ask me.
Yeah sure sir.
Good. But as of now, just a example, I am going to use the Oracle 23c installation. So this repository is now available. Are you able to see? It has downloaded
Yes,
and
sir.
saved. Now after that, what I'm going to do, I am going to install it. This repository is there. I can simply go and install. So finally, I am installing the Oracle database. And for that, like I have used this command to go for repository, wget, the path which I have shared you, the same path RPM, if you have not downloaded it. Otherwise, we can use the yum local install and repository location, and we can use it. So here instead of yum-y, I can use the local install. And now it is downloading it. So what could be the installation size? You can see it's a 5.2 GB approx. Getting it? Did you got the idea?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
And the good part is this Oracle database 23c is free. Generally, Oracle don't offer much in the free, but luckily, due to the business, due to the nowadays more challenge, they are offering it. Got it? Any doubt? Any question?
No, sir, not yet.
So the container database will be free. It include the one pluggable database, which is called PDB1, and they will get the listener ready at the default port 1521. So just wait, and later on I can go for the installation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So RPM installation is there. Once installation is there, we can able to go for the instance creation. The piece of software, as of now, just we have installed. Got it? Now, once this is ready, I can able to show you the further how I can proceed. Let's wait for this. So it is installing as of now. Meanwhile, any doubt, any questions, then feel free to ask. Mayuresh, are you getting the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm understanding.
What about you, Prakriti? Are you getting the point?
हाँ सर, अभी खुद से जब करेंगे तो और ज्यादा क्लियर होगा.
क्या खुद से करोगी इंस्टॉलेशन?
जो भी है, मतलब सर आपने जो वीडियो भेजा है उसको प्रॉपरली स्टडी करना पड़ेगा ना.
तो एक काम करना ना, एक और
हाँ.
मशीन बनाना, वर्चुअल मशीन जो Oracle वर्चुअल बॉक्स इंस्टॉल किया है ना तुम्हारे लैपटॉप पे,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
उस पर एक डाउनलोड कर लेना ISO फाइल, नहीं तो मैं तुम्हारे ड्राइव में तुम डाउनलोड कर लेना, डाउनलोड कर करके इंस्टॉल करना. बट उसमें थोड़ा सा तुमको रिस्क ये रहेगा कि GUI वगैरह कॉन्फ़िगर करना पड़ेगा प्रॉपरली.
तो फिर वो आप भी पूछ के करिए सर, आपसे पूछ.
क्योंकि Oracle लिनक्स में जो वर्चुअल बॉक्स है ना, उसमें इसके लिए थोड़ा सा GUI का इशू आता है, तो उसके लिए 2 RPM डालना पड़ता है. Once you build that RPM, it will work fine, no issue.
ओके सर.
But it's not a big deal. So this is the RPM based installation you are doing for Oracle 23C.
Yes.
23C. And there's another installation also. Like you can download the software, then extract it, and then you can run installer like you are doing the earlier.
हाँ सर, ये मैंने पढ़ा था, आपके इस पे भी दिया है शायद से, वेबसाइट पे.
हाँ, ब्लॉग पे भी है और इस
हाँ.
पे भी है, YouTube पे भी है, दोनों पे दिया हुआ है. So I always prefer the latest thing what people are doing. So like the Oracle 18C, 19C, 21C, those all I have guided the people for the RPM based installation as well for all the batches. So because everyone is knowing the RPM based installation is the new, and we can able to do it accordingly. Okay, now this is done. So my installation of the Oracle 23C is completed. Thank you for that, and best of luck for going to use. So what it done? Let me check. So there's a one configuration file which is available. By default, it will goes into the etc sysconfig, and there it should be. So here you can see in the configuration file, these details are mentioned. Instead of cat, if I want, I can use the VI editor. So I can able to show you the entire one. Okay. Just example, let me remove this, and then I can show you that because it came from the cat. So what I'm doing, this I'm just changing it. For your understanding, I'm just describing it. So here you can see the configuration file name. Then it is asking the listener port. So what is the listener port you are using? So by default, it will take the listener port 1521. But if you want anything else, some different port, you can change it. Got it? This is the database character set. By default, AL32, UTF-8 it is taking. But if you want to change it, you can able to change. So this is the way it is used. I'm not changing it because that's a beauty. It will automatically take. Okay. During the runtime, you can able to do, you can able to configure it. Did you got the idea? Did you
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm doing, I'm not changing it. I'm just going to start it. So let me go and quit. That's a 21521 is the default. So what I did, I put the etc init and Oracle 23C configuration I'm using. So it is asking me these user passwords. See system, PDB admin, account, these all. So I am using the password in my notepad, and from there I am copying. Otherwise I may forget. Got it? Okay. So I have just given the password, and then it is asking invalid character because I have used the @, so it is not taking. Let me check, change to the password. Okay, instead of @ I am putting here some different character. I can do my name underscore 123. Let me try. That has taken, and now it is configuring the listener. My listener has configured. Now it is going with the configuring the Oracle database free. So it will take few minutes to create the instance, and you can able to see it. %7 completed. It will give it everything's, and the password I am just sharing. I have used Rajiv underscore 123.
Sir, I'm not able to
Yeah.
see any activity on the screen.
Let me share again. Why? Network issue.
No, I'm not sure. I'm able to hear properly, but on screen I was not able to
Okay.
see anything.
Again, I'm sharing.
Yeah, now it's okay.
What about you, Prakriti? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
So what do you want, guys? The Oracle 19C you want, or you want the 23C?
So 19C, because after many things we can operate now, because ये इधर सिर्फ मेरे ख्याल से डेवलपर लेवल का है ना.
For time being, as
Yes,
of now,
sir.
production it is not launched.
Yes, sir. So 19C would be quite
Better for you.
convenient for us.
No problem. So in this case, I can use the 19C.
Hmm.
Got it. I can
What
use the
about you,
multiple
Bhai?
databases.
Because it was my take on it.
Yeah, 19C, because currently I'm working on 19C applications also.
Even if 20C has not launched yet for production, it is just used for the developer and test purpose.
Yes.
Oh,
So that's the main thing.
so but
So
now
this
you're
installation-
installing 23 already, right?
Yeah. I am installing 23. I have already the 19C, 12C, those are all installed machine.
Okay.
I have shared you the link as well. You can able to use it. You can able to get it accordingly. So as of now, you can see it has the 29%. So data file they have copied. Now creating and starting the Oracle instance. So if you remember, it is taking the little bit time.
नेट की स्पीड पे डिपेंड करता है ना, सही है.
No, there is no logic for the net. Now why they will talk about the net? The RPM is there. They have downloaded the things, everything. So if you remember, when you were creating the Oracle database with the earlier version, it was also taking the approximately 1
Time.
hour.
1
time.
hour का टाइम लेता था. एटलीस्ट
Similar like
15
that
20
here.
मिनट्स तो लेता था वो.
In 20
एक
minutes,
डेटा
DBC,
create करने
DBCA
में.
is not possible. 15-20 minutes
लेकिन
will be
जब
really
हम लोग
difficult.
लॉग इन करते थे ना, दिस इज क्वाइट इजी वन से, बिकॉज तब कुछ कमांड्स लिखने पड़ते थे. सेट ओरा, फिर बाद में 2-3 चीजें लिखनी पड़ती थी, तब जाके
So those you were doing after the installation. Am I correct?
राइट सर.
We will also do that one. We will also do that one. So as of now, what I am doing, I am just installing it.
ओके.
Got it. So if you can see, we are just installing it. Nothing else we are doing.
या
Once installation will be done, then we can go for the setting the environment variable and everything. Got my point? It's a simple and easy way you can able to manage, you can able to do it, the services. That's really a great things when you are doing. So time being, it is a now, if you can see, it has came on to approximately 39%. So based on my experience, I can tell you it will take the approximately 30 to 40 minutes.
So can we continue tomorrow? I need to catch train and 2 hours are only remaining.
Yeah, that's okay. But what is happening here? The installation is
Yeah.
completed. Got it?
Okay.
Once
Yes.
installation will be completed, I can just enable it and then it will be used. It won't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. If you wish, you can drop it, and I will share you this onto YouTube. You can able to watch,
Okay, sir.
because this is just installation is going on. I can't just stop into middle, and I can do it again. But because again you have to do these all the things. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So what happened? It basically installation will complete. After that, we will just go for the like the export Oracle Home SID. Then we can go for the those, and we can able to just start the enable the Oracle service if I am using the firewall or something, and then we can log in it. That's it.
Sir, can you remind what passwords did you enter?
Rajiv underscore 123.
No. So sys password, system and PD admin. So these
The all
passwords are to be.
these all I have given the same password.
Yeah. So
I
these
am pinging
passwords
in your
are.
group. Yeah, I am pinging in your
सर
group,
ये
so you can remember.
तो ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लग रहा है ना, लेकिन क्योंकि सिस का
क्या?
पासवर्ड का थोड़ा सा लेंथ बड़ा है, देन सिस्टम का एंड पीडीबी एडमिन का एक ही लग रहा है.
नहीं, ऐसा कहाँ पे लग रहा है तुमको?
सर आपका जो सिस्टम पे चल रहा है ना, उधर
वो
देखिए
इसे
सिस का वो
नहीं यार, दोनों का एक ही है. देखो ये दोनों एक ही है. इसका ये
सिस्टम
कैरेक्टर
एंड
सेट जो आपको
पीडी
दिख रहा है,
एडमिन इज सेम बट द
this is
सिस
just
का इज
is
डिफरेंट.
no, this is just making a fool to you.
ओके.
Means they won't give the actual character, how many character is there.
अच्छा, ओके ओके.
ये तो जस्ट एक दिखा रहा है कि भाई यूजर का हमने पासवर्ड लिया. पासवर्ड जो यहाँ पे एंट्री हमने किया है, so what it asks for all user have the same password. Got it? If you can read here, so they have given the content at least one uppercase, one lowercase character and one digit. Note that the same password will be used for sys user, system user and PDB admin user. All three I have given the same password. Getting it? This all three I have given the same password. So how they will get a new password? So now you can see the database creation has completed. Now it is creating the pluggable database. So the good part with the RPM based installation, you are at least like the GUI you are seeing, similar way you can able to monitor it, what is happening internally. Now this is done. Got it?
Sir, where?
So what is the database name? You can see. This is
Sir,
the pluggable database.
excuse me, sir. One more time. I'm again not able to. Means I see 47% complete only. I don't see anything after that.
कुछ हुआ नहीं है उसके बाद.
Maybe your internet have the some issues.
नहीं
नहीं
हुआ है
नहीं,
क्योंकि
47
आगे
तक ही है.
It is done.
उतना ही
Are
दिखा
you able
रहा
to
है.
see?
No sir, even me
Not able
also
No?
to
not
see.
able to see.
No.
Okay, okay.
47% ही दिखा रहा था.
Let me stop and share again. Then in this case, there is a maybe the network issue from my side.
Probably sir.
Yeah, is it visible to you?
No sir, I have
No.
to log in by the both PCs. I am not able to see.
Okay, let me change my internet. In that case, see.
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yes sir, now it's visible.
Okay, so maybe the my internet issue. Okay, so have you seen that installation has completed?
Yeah, 93 database creation complete. Okay, database.
And this is the database name it is given. Got it? But now my IP address has changed because I have changed my router, the backup internet. So this time I am going with this machine itself for running the command. Okay.
Yeah.
And now what I'm going to do here, let me zoom it. Hope it is visible to you. Is it visible?
You are sharing the MOBA XCHUM screen only, right? That's what you're talking about, right?
Yes. And now I am using the Oracle VirtualBox machine.
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah.
So because mobile stream, the IP address has changed. That's why I'm just changing it. I have changed my network accordingly. Now what I'm going to do.
Sir, just interruption. I
Yeah,
wanted
please.
to ask you, you did the install from Yum using the Yum, right? So directly
Yes,
it was
correct.
downloaded from the internet. So before that, when you downloaded the RPM package and so you didn't use anything of that, right? You just downloaded the RPM package, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
that was not used, right?
No.
So the real installation was only started when you did that Yum minus Y. That's it.
No, before that, the RPM link I have given. Got it. Like the wget, have you remember? The
Yeah,
wget command
wget.
I
Yeah,
have used.
wget to download
The
it, right?
download it. Yes, correct. So that was the actual start it done.
Even Yum would have done the download also, right? But your
Yes,
repository is.
if it is the RPM Yum is configured with the internet, then it will.
Yeah, okay. Got it.
Yum is what? Yum is the repository.
Yeah. So yeah, wget and then so the earlier download you scrapped it. You didn't use it at all, right?
Yes. No,
Okay.
I haven't.
Got it. Thank you.
And that's the way we did. Now I export the path. That's it. And that's it. My database is up and running. Let me verify it. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to connect. So my environment variable has set. If you want this, you can go to the base profile and then you can check, you can use it. What I'm doing to auto start when the instance is boot, that I am just putting. Whenever my Linux machine will be restart, I want it should be also start my Oracle. That's why I am putting the systemctl enable and this one. Now that is done, I can able to log in and I can able to connect to my instance.
So these 4 commands in the beginning, export, these are just like configuration
Setting
related.
the environment variable. Setting the environment
Okay.
variable.
Okay.
So now
Environment
it's the time to
variable.
connect to the Oracle database 20C. So we can just go fresh database. We are connecting, and here I am going to check I am able to connect or not. Let me go. What I did, SQL plus sys @ localhost 152 free as sysdb. What is the username? Sys as sysdb, and you can able to connect it accordingly. So based on your machine, what you found, that was given the DBA training, the name. Instead of localhost, it was giving the pluggable database name, the DBA training.
So you could have used only that slash, right? SQL plus
Yeah,
only the
it could be. Yeah, it could be. So depend on your
If
scenario,
you
you can
don't
use.
remember the password, at that time we use that, na?
Yes, and then you can log in it.
So is it not a security threat that anyone can come up and do a SQL plus slash as sysdb and
How
access?
anyone? How anyone? It's only the you na.
Permission दिया रहता है.
That means OS level. How you can access? It's a OS authentication na.
Yeah, but if someone has got the OS password, then
No,
Then he
it's
can.
not like that. उसके पास होगा तो, लेकिन जिस मशीन पे इंस्टॉल किया उधर से ही वो कमांड रन होगा ना.
हाँ तो उस मशीन में अगर लॉगिन किया तो उसके बाद we can access the
Yes,
DBA
you can.
without password,
Yes, you
right?
can. You can.
हाँ, but
So
most of the companies what they do, they keep 2 or 3 logins. So वो लॉगिन के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है फिर वो कमांड
no,
एक्सेस.
if you don't want, so we can disable it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was my question. That was my question. Yeah,
Yeah, that
got
is
it.
possible. We can disable it.
Yeah.
What idea?
Yes.
It's, it's my choice what I want.
सर जनरली आप बोल रहे हो कि वो कौन से बैंक का आपने नाम लिया था, IDFC और HDFC, आई डोंट नो, तो
हाँ।
उसमें सब कैसे होता है? ये प्रोटेक्टेड ही होगा ना उसमें सब?
नहीं
तो
हर
ऐसा
हर
नहीं।
जगह हम लोग ऐसे ही रखते हैं, ऐसे SSDBA हम लोग ऐसे ही रखते हैं। सी उसके पीछे लॉजिक होता है, व्हाई इट इज अ लॉजिक, because when we are working, so every time from the OS admin, if it will ask me the password, so I need to remember the password for the, suppose 1 DBA we have a 70 instance. So 70 password,
Hmm.
remember, is it possible? That's what we
Okay.
do. But yes, if I don't want to allow, I can able to skip it.
Okay.
Get my
Okay.
point? Whatever your database name, whatever the things you can able to do, you can able to connect it accordingly. And then you
सर
can
ये आप
use.
वापस क्यों कर रहे हो?
मेरा टर्मिनल बंद हो गया था,
हाँ, ओके।
so that is the way you can able to. So here you can see invalid credential or not authorized login
या
denied.
ये एरर देखा है पहले भी।
Got it?
017,
So
yeah.
whatever the username you have given, this as SysDBA I have given, and the password what I have given, Rajiv. Let me give that password.
तो क्यों
Then I
पूछ रहा
can
है वो?
connect it.
होना चाहिए था ना लॉगिन विदाउट एनी क्रेडेंशियल्स।
So that you asked disabling, na?
Yeah. How did you do that? But I didn't
See,
understand only. मैंने
simple way. I have not given the complete machine name, the port number, everything I have not given. Was it? So OS
yes.
authentication I have not given. And now you can see the show PDBs. It will show this is the.
But if you change to Aura user now, because you are the Linux root user, if you change to Aura user, then in
Oh,
that
your
case,
Oracle user, then you are allowed. Then you are
then
allowed.
we are allowed, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So OS authentication, it depends on the your user's permission. Got
Okay,
it?
got it.
So this is the my connection string which I have done. So congratulations, your installation has completed, and you can able to connect it. Got it? If you remember what we did, if you want, you can choose the name and other thing. So my database name, select name from $, database.
PD database.
So this is the my instance name. What is it called? Free. Got it? If I want to connect in the future, what I can use, simply I can go to the Aura environment and
SQL plus
and SQL plus as SDBA. I'm connecting, so it won't allow because root user I am. So C says SDBA and then my password Rajiv _ 123. If I have given the correct, I can log in. Got it?
Can you change to Oracle and then log in?
Yeah, I can. So if the Oracle user is there, I can able to connect it. I can able to use it. So like I don't have the local host, what the machine name, I got the IP address and accordingly I can use this. Oh, sorry. And the password Rajiv _ 123. Social security, and based on that you can do. So PDBs. Okay. Okay. And similar way, the Oracle user you can able to connect, you can able to give it. But so I have not changed the password for Oracle. Pass WD and then Oracle user. Then what the new password you want to Oracle. Oracle password I am giving the Oracle only. And then you can switch to the Oracle.
सर इधर थोड़ा अलग है ना पासवर्ड चेंज करने का सिंटैक्स?
It's a Linux.
हाँ,
Linux.
लिनक्स में थोड़ा अलग है क्योंकि विंडोज में हम लोग सेट पासवर्ड करके कुछ तो ये करते थे कमांड।
ये हमने OS का कमांड चेंज किया था पासवर्ड, Oracle का नहीं.
ओके।
We change the OS command. Okay, so Prakriti and Mayuresh, I am stopping here.
Okay, sir.
And I assume
Okay.
you understood how to install the Oracle. I will publish it onto the YouTube, so you can able to monitor, you can able to review it whenever you have a time.
Sure.
Okay,
Yes. Yes, sir.
good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Take care, and
Bye.
we'll catch you in the next topic.
Okay.
Sure. Thanks. Bye bye.
So tomorrow, 10 a.m. na?
10 a.m. Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.